If to say some married women for Nigeria get the kind liberality we men get for this country, therefore they carry their boyfriend come up for outside, they call sleep with for their husband bed. But thank God say our custom, culture and tradition for Nigeria, no they allow that kind of thing. Now carry your share, make I give you one gist when go share for you. Lucky na 36 years old boy will be say he grew up for worry. The guy called it do streets. And call sound, collect better money for streets. Call rent house for Jackbar Road. Buy two sand cars will be say what better thing. He called day. Now he called propose to him fiancé Lydia. They call marry. After they marry, God called bless them with baby sharply. Now Lydia called tell Lucky say how far for like me my mother called do omugo. Now Lucky say no issue now. Make my mother come. And the mama called come. They called do omugo. Everything they go well for the ass. Now Lydia called they put time for Lucky, but they say how far funds they your body you. And for like more relocate go Canada. Lucky God say Canada not really doing blood though. If they get her clear for Nigeria, you know just the shop life, they live our life. Now so Lydia begin the pressure Lucky day and night. You know the power of Pekus now. To don't enter. Now Lucky call for Lydia. So okay, more travel. They call use Lydia now to do the traveling lead person. Normally say she won't go study. I cannot study visa now. Now Lucky now sell some of the things there, some of the property now sell her. Sponsor a wife, go Canada. Call leave Lucky and their baby with their mother-in-law for us for Nigeria this side. As Lydia don't reach Canada there, they do the night she call send invite, make her husband with the baby come. The husband with the baby now won't go, they call sell some of their remaining property now, make them fee sponsor the trip. And they reach Canada. As they reach Canada, both Lucky and Lydia call the also for the street, they call the get and clear, everywhere just good. You know to say, I second baby belle come. I second baby belle come, I Lydia call tell her husband say, how far? I for like me, my mom see, still can't do this or move go hold all the Canada now. Lucky because say no issue now after all. Now we and mommy first day in Nigeria, they stay for the same house. She don't give us any issue. So let's bring her in. Now Lucky begin the also day and night. They find money, they take package me visa. Maybe let's take call Canada call do Mugo on the request of his wife. The guy not get. She say my mother love me. She come. Lucky call arrange everything. They save day and night money call complete. They call bring me like come as I just born the pikin. Now me like enter. As me like come, it not to say. Now Lydia call buy car and they never get car before. Lydia just buy car. Just my call the say shoe. I say get money to buy car. Lucky don't know say all along. When in the save money, make a mother-in-law take call do Omugo on the request of his wife, a wife they save money when want to buy car. At this point of the video now, take 2 seconds of your life, take fear women. Okay, you don't fear women finish. Let's continue with the video. It think God they go on for the house. If Lucky won't go outside, anytime when Lucky won't go out with the car, when his wife take her own money, take buy so, and that time Lydia they say she too won't go out. They call the work out get small class. That's called a brief friction. They call their marriage every time. If Lucky just say, honey, I want to go somewhere, go say, no, not my car. I want to, you know, say now abroad now. Wait till you get this will not be our car again. Don't turn to my car because now the woman I take money, take her money to buy her. Lucky call say, I love your wife, or you don't want any issue. We go come because of car. Mark will leave the car for my wife. Man, the trek. I call it drink trekking my sin. Call it trek doing things ago. Lucky call the Oza so kind strange waka for him wife body. The day when the wife not go get night shift to, the woman go see go outside, go club, she go sleep outside. Test one night the woman just call out one day with one kind of funny tattoo for body. Baby drop tattoo say for him without my consent, but for that side, you not be like Nigeria also for they get this kind of answer. You not be shy to they'll just stone you out, they'll arrest you. Lucky call they swallow all of those rubbish where the woman they taking out the sea for Canada. He called the say, the wife of the waka soka moruku waka, but no official. They talk, but they cause their issue. The guy could just lock up. The guy just want to focus on his own life. Maybe issue not come abroad, they do not be Nigeria. The work with the guy they do so, the work not really too sound like that. So I make another feel if he funds himself. Where? Lucky to call also he cost him money, call buy a new car. He can't begin the drive. So issue about car come on. But the Urukuruku waka when they suspect the wife, so he never really feel catch the woman for a year. And so yeah, they so the woman always escape her. Lucky na call go say the work where they work so He could apply for another better job. They could give her the job. He could go now, go resign for the job when he did. So while the wife was thinking that was going to stay long at work, he don't resign. Not tell the wife again, because don't suspect the wife not too clear. Because they leave her own, doing her own things. As he resign, finish, and they go. As he reach house, open door, enter inside house, or they are upstairs where they did. Now he see in wife, they in bed, they give another young boy better doggy for hot afternoon. When Lucky open door, see the thing, the guy is shocked. He just buy for standing there like this. So the guy now saying that the woman husband icon, the guy now called come out in Ebola for the woman body. The woman, they look, the husband, they look lucky. Lydia, they look lucky for face. Call cramp the young boy Ebola again. Use her own and shook her for Akbeku's back. At this point in time, because Lucky originally before, if you want to attack the ones, he called remember the day for Canada. Now he lock up and don't wala. He call look, he just buy for standing. He was out with your wife. What did they saw? The boy now out of fear call come on the Ebola. Only Lydia call carry the Ebola shook back on inside Akbeku's that day. Now Lucky for boss cry. As he boss cry, the worry spirit in him call wake up say attack. Now he run enter inside the boy. As the boy they kill her. Now the wife run, Lydia call run, go kitchen, go carry 2 kitchen knife, come throw one for her boyfriend. She call one, they call the walk on Lucky. They stab Lucky. The small woman where Lucky carry come up for inside Nigeria, come run, leave Lucky. At this point of the story now, use another 2 seconds again. Take fear women, and they wait for you. No, 2 seconds not reach. Put 1 second journal again. Fear women deeply. You don't fear women finish, Abi. Come back. Don't forget to share this story, or let's say you be a bad person. Now, once like this, as the thing they go on, the mama, which is Lydia mother, now they are all room, call they hear the noise, she call come out. As she come out, the 2 knives that they come out, Lucky said they run enter them. They come they get some small scratch on their own. From there, as they say, they stab Lucky again, like that, like Lucky dodge her, and the thing touch me leg. And me leg go flat once, she not shake body again. When Lucky see they don't buy me leg, they won't call you prepare, they call increase the stabbing now for Lucky, but now they're looking for a job for upstairs. He called fall. As he fall like this, now that prepare as the boyfriend and Lydia and her boyfriend are called go now. Carry Lucky, thinking say Lucky go buy. They call carry Lucky go through for inside bush. They call drive come out. Go enter inside the CCTV camera, delete all the memory. Then the woman call police say, my husband don't buy my mama, mona come oh. Police come. Waiting apple. He say I come up for work call jam my husband. See her with knife. He don't buy my mama. I answer. Now he say I go buy you join. For that process, now my husband say injure me like this. So my husband to sustain small injury. Now he don't wrong. No know where he go. Now so now the Canada police just launch my arms. They find Lucky. Later they go see Lucky now for bush. They go carry Lucky now go hospital. As they reach hospital, Lucky spinal cord don't break. Lucky dey coma. They struggle with Lucky Sote for more than how many weeks Lucky not wake up. They got contact Lucky family for Nigeria. Lucky senior star where they stay for worry. Call fly, go Canada, go reach there. About a month plus or 2 months later, Lucky call feel regain consciousness. Now he call narrate everything we happen, give the sister. Meanwhile, at this point, Lydia don't go to raise GoFundMe for social media. They call for sympathy, make they bring money come, make she they carry her mama body. We don't buy so. Go Nigeria, go do burial. People don't they put in better money. When Canada police call hear the story of Lucky, now they stop. Now they say, woman, stop that GoFundMe. Let us investigate this case. So they just stop him. As I they talk to him, so the case they caught Lucky spinal cord don't break, in life don't spoil. The mama where they on screen there, so which is Lydia mama, Lydia and her boyfriend don't buy the mama. Everything now don't be like the case now. It did because I talk to you. So I just let you know, won't let you know, say before you carry your wife go abroad, if you never hear this my video, not go. And after you listen to this my video, absorb a shock observer for yourself. Say anyhow, if you want carry your family go abroad, just this shows anything will come outside, accept time. If you see your wife they do it, don't go that side. Well, I can't leave her because they go join her, they go fit by your story, feel be like Lucky. That's why I say if some Nigerian women get the kind chance we men get, they are shitting for worse past their husband home. This kind of thing not for Nigeria normal level now. I go they update us. Now Lucky life now. Don't spoil. Now we share now 9 days. Because it's spinal cord and now